Welcome back. This is Malvika and you're watching NewsX. Civil defence drills are set to take place across Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Chandigarh and Jammu and Kashmir under Operation Shield, following a nationwide exercise conducted on 7th May amid India-Pakistan tensions. These drills follow the directive issued by the Home Ministry following the Pahalgam terror attack. Earlier, the mock drills were scheduled to be held in the bordering states and union territories on May 29th. However, they were postponed due to administrative reasons. Complete blackout measures would be implemented in adjoining civilian vulnerable areas and vulnerable points in Punjab, excluding emergency and critical services, and air raid sirens would be sounded. In Amritsar, mock drill is set to take place from 6 p.m. to 7 p.m., while blackout is to be undertaken from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. The city, villages and airport are to be under complete blackout, with the blackout set to last for 30 minutes. On the other hand, the Haryana government has said that it will conduct the mock drills across all 22 districts to enhance the state's emergency preparedness and response capabilities. Officials have said that the exercise will begin at 5 p.m. and the drills will simulate critical incidents such as air raids, drone attacks and other wartime scenarios. Additionally, a controlled blackout of 15 minutes will be observed from 8 p.m. to 8:15 p.m. near vital installations in Haryana, with the exception of essential emergency services such as hospitals, fire stations and police stations. Officials have said that the mock drill and blackout exercises under Operation Shield are scheduled to be held across all 41 districts of Rajasthan as well. The chief secretaries have directed preparations for 7 different scenarios, including the general or silent recall of civil defence volunteers and other groups such as the National Cadet Corps, air raids by enemy aircrafts, drone and missile attacks and activation of hotlines between Air Force and civil defence control rooms. Meanwhile, mock drills are being held at a government school in Arnia area of Jammu International Border. Drills are part of Operation Shield to make students aware about any eventuality and countermeasures. My colleague Ajay Jandyal is joining us live from Jammu for more on the story. Ajay, what can you tell us about the mock drills being conducted in Jammu currently under Operation Shield?
Right now, I'm standing here in the Arnia village, and this is one of a school in Arnia international border area, which was under attack of Pakistan during Pakistan violated ceasefire. And this process of mock drill was initiated here in this school since morning. And what we can see that students, those who are sitting over here, they have been guided, they have been directed by the authorities over here that how they have to do. Just they got instruction that they have to move under the desk, and then they move out of this room and move to the bunker which is required during the shelling, because during the shelling what has happened that people lives over here, they were targeted by Pakistan, and these schools, if these are open and Pakistan start targeting the civilians of this area, and then how they have to do, how they have to tackle the situation, that is what they have been conveyed and they have been taught over here by the school administration to ensure that their safety can be ensured. We'll speak to the Sarpanch of this area, Raghuveer Singh, who is also activist and giving guidance to these students that how they have to save their lives and convey this message to the family members as well. ये बताइए कि किस तरह से इनको ट्रेनिंग दी जा रही है?
देखिए, हम बॉर्डर क्षेत्र के लोग रहने वाले हैं और ये जो बेसिक चीज़ें हैं ये हमारे लिए बहुत ही ज़रूरी और आवश्यक हैं, क्योंकि हम लोग बॉर्डर क्षेत्र के लोग पाकिस्तान के कारण गोलाबारी का शिकार रहते हैं और पाकिस्तान हमारे निहत्थे लोगों पे जो है वो गोलाबारी करता है। वो इसके चलते हमें जो अपने लोग जो सिविलियन लोग हैं उनको अवेयर होना बहुत ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि हम लोग जो है बगैर किसी बुलेट प्रूफ के यहाँ बॉर्डर पे जो अपनी सेना के साथ अपनी सशक्त जो बल हैं उनके साथ खड़े हैं। और ये जो लोग हैं इनके आप देख रहे हैं कि बहुत ही हौसले बुलंद रहते हैं, और हौसले बुलंद हों भी क्यों ना, क्योंकि हम लोग अच्छी तरह अवेयर हैं कि पाकिस्तान की जो नापाक हरकतें हैं उनका कैसे सामना करना है। और ये कुछ बेसिक चीज़ें होती हैं, जैसे पाकिस्तान की तरफ से कोई शैल गिरता है तो हमें लोगों को शुरू में हमारे लोगों को नॉलेज नहीं था, उसके कारण कुछ कैजुअलिटी हुई है। लेकिन अब जबकि लोग अच्छी तरह अवेयर हैं, जब भी कोई फायर होता है तो लोग अंदर चले जाते हैं, जहाँ जो सेफर जो इंडिविजुअल बंकर या कम्युनिटी बंकर सरकार की तरफ से दिए गए हैं उनका भी हम सहारा लेते हैं। और आज की डेट में वही एक कारण है कि हमारे लोगों की यहाँ जीरो कैजुअल्टी है, क्योंकि हम अच्छी तरह अवेयर हैं कि पाकिस्तान की जो गोलाबारी है उससे हमें कैसे अपने आप को बचना है। और उसका एक बहुत अच्छा माध्यम है जो हमारे स्कूल के बच्चे हैं, ये आज हमारे लिए एक एज ए एम्बेसडर काम कर रहे हैं। ये हमारे जो आस पड़ोस के लोग हैं उनको भी ये गाइड करते हैं, अपने रिश्तेदारों को समझाते हैं और पेरेंट्स को तो बताते हैं कि स्कूल में इस किस्म की जो शिक्षा है वो मॉकड्रिल की के जरिए ये हमें दी गई है।
We'll speak to the students as well that what they have to say. आपने अभी सीखा, ड्रिल किया, कैसा लगा?
हमको बहुत अच्छा लगा।
क्या क्या सीखा?
हमको सर ने सिखाया है कि जैसे सायरन की आवाज़ आएगी हम स्कूल में होंगे, हमें फटाफट डेस्क के नीचे छुप जाना है। और हम घर पे होंगे, हमें ना कि लाइटें ऑफ करके किसी सेफ जगह पे चले जाना है और बाहर झांक के नहीं देखना।
आपकी कितनी एज है? एज कितनी है आप? So just primary students they are telling the story that what they have been taught. आपने भी सीखा, क्या क्या सीखा?
सर ने हमें सिखाया, हम स्कूल में होंगे, हमने जैसे सायरन की आवाज़ आएगी फटाफट हमने डेस्क के नीचे छुप जाना है। और हम जैसे स्कूल में होंगे, घर में होंगे तो हमने लाइटें ऑफ करके हमने कोई सेफ जगह में छुप जाना है। मम्मी पापा को भी बताना है, भाई बहन को भी बताना है।
Just imagine that these are the small kids, those who basically are getting every direction and how to take action, how to go under the desk, and why they basically move. They are moving under the desk. We'll tell you that, but we'll also try to take one shot of and we will try to show you the world as well, nation as well, and people of the Jammu and Kashmir as well, that what they have to do if they are in that school and if they are in their houses. एक बार मुझे करके बताएंगे कैसे? अभी नहीं कैसे डेस्क के नीचे आप चले जाते हो, कैसे? जल्दी से बताइए। Just see that immediately after they have been directed, they got direction, they basically moves inside the desk and they sits quietly, so that if anything happens, if any shells landed on the rooftop and roof collapse, then even then they will remain safe, because these desks basically will help them to face the impact. Because if they are sitting on the table and something happens on the rooftop, then these concrete material can injure or kill the innocent civilians and the children as well. So that's why these are the direction, these are the some SOPs which they are following, and these are the things which they have to ensure. Because this village where we are standing, this is the last village on the international border, and they have seen the intense firing from the Pakistan side, and even during this ceasefire violation, Pakistan have targeted the civilian. रघुवीर जी, अभी जो फायरिंग हुई थी उसमें भी इस गांव में लोग पाकिस्तान ने गोले दागे?
हाँ बिल्कुल, हमेशा, क्योंकि ये सीमा से सटे क्षेत्र हैं तो
आखिरी गांव।
हाँ बिल्कुल, तो और पाकिस्तान हमेशा गोलाबारी करता रहता है। लेकिन जैसा कि आप देख रहे हैं कि हमारे लोग वो अच्छी तरह जो अवेयर हैं, उनको ये जानकारी है कि कैसे हमें पाकिस्तान की गोलाबारी से बचना है। और ये आज से नहीं, लगभग 2014 से जी पाकिस्तान यहाँ बॉर्डर क्षेत्र के लोगों को डिस्टर्ब करता रहा था। शुरू में हमारे लोगों का नुकसान हुआ, लेकिन अब चूँकि हमारे लोग अच्छी तरह अवेयर हैं, पूरी जानकारी है उनको कि ये मार्टर शेल से कैसे बचना है, जहाँ कोई दूसरी गोलाबारी है उसको अपने आप को कैसे सुरक्षित रखना है। हालांकि सरकार की तरफ से बंकर वगैरह भी दिए गए हैं, लेकिन फिर भी हमें जब तक अवेयरनेस नहीं होगी, हम अपने आप को सुरक्षा के कारण कोई दृष्टि को देखते हुए अपने आप को बचाव के
you have to save yourself, and that's why आप लोग ऊपर आ जाइए. So this is what exactly being taught here in the schools, and in the morning the school students, they are getting these directions and they are basically doing these activities, mock drills over here, and in the afternoon this will start to the civilians as well at 4 in civil areas. This mock drill will start, and during the night at 8 the blackout will be will take place here all across the Jammu and Kashmir to ensure the safety and the civilians. And this is the set SOP of the mock drill which is going to be conducted here in the Jammu and Kashmir as well.
All right, thank you.